In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find GoDaddy Nameservers. Whether you are setting up a new website or migrating an existing one, understanding where to find your DNS information is crucial. This process is straightforward, and we'll walk through it together step by step. First things first, you'll need to access your GoDaddy account. To do this, open up a web browser and head over to godaddy.com. Once there, you'll be prompted to log in if you haven't done so already. Enter your username and password, and you should be greeted with your account dashboard. If at any point you need assistance with your login credentials, GoDaddy provides comprehensive support to help you out. Once logged in, you're going to navigate to your domain portfolio. This area houses all of the domains you own through GoDaddy. You'll want to identify and select the specific domain you're currently working with. This is crucial because DNS settings are unique to each domain, so ensuring you're in the right place will save you a great deal of confusion later on. After selecting your domain, you'll be directed to that domain's settings page. Take your time to look around and get familiar with the layout if you need to, but our next focus is locating the DNS section. It's typically quite prominent, a testament to its importance in domain management. Go ahead and click on it. Inside the DNS settings page, there is a specific section devoted to nameservers. Here is where the magic happens. By default, you might find GoDaddy's nameservers listed here. These are the standard nameservers GoDaddy provides when you purchase a domain through them. It's always a good idea to jot these down, especially if you're planning to make any changes later. Now, if you happen to be managing your DNS settings somewhere else, maybe through another hosting provider, there's an option here for you as well. Look for the choice to Use My Own Nameservers. This will allow you to enter alternative nameserver addresses. You'll want to have these addresses handy, typically provided by your hosting service, because it's a simple matter of copy and paste to enter them here. And just like that, you've found your GoDaddy nameservers, and you're well equipped to manage them going forward. These steps may seem minor, but they maximize your control over your web presence, enabling you to configure necessary settings with precision and ease. Remember, maintaining an accurate DNS configuration is critical for ensuring that your website functions correctly and is accessible to users worldwide. Thank you for watching this video on how to find GoDaddy nameservers. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below if you have any questions or need further clarification on any of these steps. Have a great day.